sorry, it's like really windy, but we have a 2003 F-250. I am 5'2", so when they're jacked up like this, I have to climb up on a ladder. All right, so customer complaint of, lost power and whatnot going down the road. Well, start where the power is at. Those are really bad connections. That's not good. That's not good. That's just the first 5 minutes of being underneath the hood of this thing. What do you think, Maverick? Huh? Yeah? He's got an itch. He's all itchy. His winter coat is coming in, so he's awful itchy. So, but yeah, so funsies. That's where we're at today.